Hippo's Hiccups by Angel Stories. Hector the hippo had the hiccups. Hic. Oh no. How do I stop them? He tried holding his breath. Hic. He drank some water. Hic. He even jumped up and down. Hic. Nothing worked. Then Benny the lion gave him a big surprise. Splash. Hector jumped into the river. And guess what? The hiccups were gone. But one big bite of watermelon later. Hic. Available on Kindle Unlimited and the Angel Stories author page. Check the link in bio.